Welcome back to Stock Bros YouTube channel, and today working on the Fummins build again. We got the engine block back from the machine shop and she's all set up on the stand. And what we're gonna start doing to build this engine up is we're gonna start gapping our rings. So this block was bored 20 thousandths over, and so we went with 20 thousandths over piston rings, obviously. And these are an Interstate McBee piston ring kit. And what you got to do is you got to figure out, this is off Cummins quick serve, you got to figure out which part number matches your ring gap specs. And so I figured all that out, and then I'm just going through gapping all the rings or just checking them. They're all in spec so far, so hopefully I don't have to file any rings or have to get new ones. And besides that, I did get the piston cooling nozzles in. They are a billet piston cooling nozzle from XDP because I don't like plastic in an engine. So we got those in, but I forgot to pick up plastic gauge, so we can't put the crank in today or check our bearing clearances. Check your piston ring end gap. All you got to do, put it in the bore like so, and just rotate them over. Then you can take an old piston with a piston ring in it and then just drop it in like so. And that makes it so it has an equal depth all the way around, so you can actually get a proper measurement of your gap. Just take your feeler gauge, check it, nice drag on there. And I already checked this one, but I can't fit a 24 thousandths feeler gauge in it. That was a 23, and so that piston ring end gap's at 23 thousandths, so that's all you got to do. Anyways, I'm gonna get all these ring gaps checked, and then we're gonna move on to getting the crankshaft put in and all our bearing clearances checked after that, and you'll see that next. Okay, a little update on this, on the engine build here. We got all 6 pistons in, and they're looking pretty good. Got the new oil pump put in. Good backlash there. Checked all my bearing clearances on my rods. They're all about 3 to 4 thousandths, so we're doing good there. Same as the main bearings. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the front cover put on, so we're there. And then we're gonna press the new gear onto the new Hamilton Cam's camshaft, and then get all the tappets in, do all that. But I don't have the Woodruff key for the camshaft, so I'm gonna have to get one of those because the new one didn't come with it, and I don't have the old one. So that puts a stall to this, and so that's gonna do it for this video. I know it wasn't a lot of talking, it was just mostly time lapse, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you tune into the next episode. As you see, we'll put the camshaft in. And yeah, like the video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks.